This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 9th, 2023. It's currently April 21st, 2023, 2:32 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file that we're about to play was created on February 26th, 2023 at 10:35 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a crest that we sell off down to and through support on a one-day chart. We do a U-shaped reversal below that support, come back and reuse it as support. Behavior around the high side, we push the upper end of a range higher on a one-day chart scale. Behavior around the low slow, we have sideways rotational on key support. We rise to meet the nearest critical resistance and then fall back down and continue rotating sideways along that key support. Sometimes this indicates two or three lows. And then I'm advised to trade around a near overbought crest or peak that we sell off through multiple support levels through. So we likely open lower in the pre-market. And then there's a notable move higher in the pre-market, turning resistance into new support. And then right around the open, we have a big move to the downside that'll stand out on a one-day chart. 3 pokes through the same price level in the first half hour, followed by a sharp drop-off of that third poke. A key technical price level that's important on at least a 1-month scale here is highlighted between roughly 10 and 11. And then there's a bullish move to the upside somewhere around 11 o'clock, taking us to a brief peak that's easily missed, and we sell off from down to and through multiple support levels. That's where I'm advised to trade. I'd probably open up a short position in the midst of this peak, which is the peak's probably at like 12 o'clock, or we may say two peaks. We might see a peak at like 11:15 and then another peak at 12 with like a big drop in between, or it's just one peak around 12 o'clock and then there's a big drop off of that peak, followed by erratic behavior somewhere, so trough around midday and then erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level between roughly 1 and 2, and we revisit a crest in the midst of that erratic behavior that was recently a past opportunity. Between 2 and 3, we have a period of sideways rotation that ends with a fast sudden move higher, and then that fast sudden move higher is followed by a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation, taking us to a trade opportunity and a support level that was recently a past opportunity. At the close, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, then meet a second resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. And then there's a peak in the close or in the post market where we move higher through key resistance. On a one day, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter with the full retracement. We open slightly higher the following day, and that's the S&P 500. Oh, and volume for the day, notably bearish. That's the S&P 500 for June 9th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. As always, you do so here at our resources tab. If you don't know what the rule of karma is, super important for the channel. Check out our video, The Rule of Karma Explained. Just search for that in our search bar. And you'll know all about it. Super important, my friends. Thank you so much, as always, for watching, and I'll see you guys later on the next one.